Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be explaining how to get a vMenu. Now, this may be like a 15-minute video, maybe 5 minutes. I'm trying to make this just short as possible, but this is extremely easy. You might think it's very hard, but after looking at this document that fully explains how you do it in order process, it'll literally just here. I'll have everything linked in the bottom of the description. I'd like you to check that out. And also, don't mind the sick wallpaper I have, okay? You're also gonna need a Visual Studio Code. I don't really necessarily remember what the download link was for that, but you'll need to search up a video on how to download it because you're gonna need this. This will come in a minute. Alright, get ready. So, basically what you want to do first is you want to go to, you want to go here. You want to go to this website called github.com, tomgrabe vMenu releases. You want to download this thing right here. I'm personally not going to download because I already have it downloaded, but it will be in the link in the description. Oh, that was laggy. I think you click this one right here. I'm fairly sure you scroll down and click that one. Or get the just most recent one. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video, but try to get the most recent one that you have. I believe the one up here is my most recent. 3.30330. Anyways, you want to get this one. I don't necessarily know how to, do the downloading stuff, but this is where you gotta go. Up here, link in the description. Alright. Let's, yeah, that video didn't work very well. I was watching that video to compare how fast I did it. Literally, he did it in such a complicated way, it's not even funny. I will also link this website, which gives you a complete explanation on how you will do this. Follow its exact steps, and it will work perfectly fine, I swear. That's exactly what I did. I didn't get any permission errors or anything. If that's the problem you're having with permission errors, etc., drop a comment down below if there's anything I missed. The video's not ending yet, don't worry. I still have more to explain. But what I'm about to explain is exactly what this tells you to do here, okay? Alright, I'm gonna take this slow for you guys. It'd be a lot easier. Oh, fuck, I can't show you that, because that would have exposed my servers. Anyways, okay, let me close these out. Okay, so now what you want to do is just go to your server.cfg. Here, I'll go into my thing real quick. Okay, see this? I have my vMenu permissions. Okay, what you're going to need to do, go to vMenu. Okay. I'm not fully explaining how to download it, but if you followed other YouTube videos, you should be at this point where you have the vMenu here. If you guys want a tutorial on that, just drop it in the comments. I can literally do it in 5 minutes and have the video posted in 2 hours. So stay tuned for that if you want that. Okay, you want to take this, Control-C, go back. I'm trying to be quiet, I'm trying to be slow for you guys. You're going to go to where your server.cfg files is. For me, it's just servers, but it does say CFG file. You're going to Control-V it in here. You're going to go into your server file, double-click server. You're going to go in here. You're going to type exec permissions.cfg. What that's going to do is going to execute the thing. Don't put, like, ensure vMenu right next to it, because that'll... I mean, you could if you wanted to, but I recommend having it down here because it's just a lot easier to find and separate. Make sure you have ensure vMenu with a capital M. Have it with the capital M or it will not work because it has a specific thing where you have to have it as capital. I don't know why, that's just how it is. Once you got everything here with the permissions, that should fix permissions errors if you didn't know. So now everything you put in there, like in your permissions thing, should work exactly fine. And now you have a working vMenu.